BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 196 of season 3. Today's word is generous. The meaning of generous is liberal in giving money or help in large proportion, larger than usual or expected. Someone who gives a lot or in large quantities or amounts. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word generous. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Generous is spelled as G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. The word generous relates to a quality of being helpful and large-hearted in terms of helping others. Generous is also used in relation to payments, donations, or help which is more than expected. For example, the villagers were known to be generous hosts and they would facilitate best amenities for the visitors. Listen carefully how we can use the word generous in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. An ex-student of a school joined the armed forces and was invited to be the chief guest for the Independence Day function. When he spoke to the audience, he specially thanked the school trustees for being generous in offering scholarship to him during his school days. Example number 2 of 8. The judge retired after a distinguished service of 3 decades. A farewell ceremony for him was organized by the Chamber of Advocates and everyone was generous in their praise towards his professionalism. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The founder of the company passed away last month. The board of directors made a decision to donate generous funds to a charity and also announced scholarship to the needy students in his memory. Wow, wasn't that wonderful? Let us understand example number 4 of 8. Earlier, the popular restaurant would use generous amounts of oil and butter in their meal preparations. However, of late, the restaurant has proactively reduced the usage of these to an optimum level to avoid any adverse effects on their customers' health. Learn how to clear any interview from expert in-house trainers, offline and online, who are ready to train you at our training centers in Mumbai and also through a video call. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. A big group of guests had checked in at a 5-star hotel for a destination wedding. The staff offered a flawless service to them throughout their stay. The guests were pleased and they left a generous tip for the staff. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Throughout his life, the industrialist was known for his generous contributions. He was always at the forefront of every initiative to help the needy. Even after his death, he willed a large part of his wealth to several welfare organizations. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. A family decided to visit a shop to check out the price of an air conditioner. They were concerned that it would be expensive and beyond their budget. But they were pleasantly surprised that there was a generous discount offer on all products to celebrate the Independence Day. Example number 8 of 8. The contest for the post of a secretary of a cooperative society for the current year was fought very intensely. The results were out and a new person was selected for the post. The past secretary accepted his defeat graciously and was generous enough to congratulate him personally. Today we learnt the word generous, which means liberal in giving money or help in large proportion, larger than usual or expected, having a large-hearted nature. Can you frame 3 sentences with generous and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 196 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.